Hello friends, thank you for joining me. We're going to be doing about 20-minute long workout today, focusing on the sides of our bodies, focusing on a lot of lateral movements, and also focusing on some transverse movements, so twisting through our spine, working to just create long, strong lines throughout our entire bodies. So, that being said, we're going to start right away on our backs. Go ahead and meet me on your mat. We're not going to need any equipment today, just your body and a little bit of floor space. So just start off here, rocking your knees back and forth. And find some stillness. Inhale and exhale. Just sinking into this moment, noticing what the mat feels like beneath your tailbone, beneath your palms, underneath your shoulders and your head, all the way down to your feet. Just take a second. Maybe set an intention for what you want out of this next 20 minutes. Getting stronger, getting in some movement. And one more inhale and exhale. Good. From here, we're going to take another big inhale in as you reach your arms all the way back behind you. Really, really reach as if you're reaching to the wall that's behind you. Inhale, exhale. We're going to round all the way up, trying to keep our heels on the ground. Good. Reaching forward. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, we're going to slowly roll all the way back, one vertebrae at a time. Inhale, reach up overhead. Exhale, sit all the way up. Reach, 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 reach forward. Inhale, reach up overhead. Exhale, slowly come down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, sit all the way up. Really, really reach forward. Inhale up. Exhale, slowly lower down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, all the way up to the top. We're just warming up our whole bodies here. Really, really reach. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, roll all the way down. Good. On this last one, we're going to bring our hands to the side of our body to meet onto the mat. We're going to reach our left heel off of the mat, right heel off of the mat. From here, I want you to think about keeping your core engaged, so drawing your low belly into the mat, your low back into the mat, drawing your belly button in towards your spine. Legs are at 90 degrees, so you should instantly start to feel your core turn on here. Palms pressing down to the mat so our triceps are engaged. From here, I'm going to tap left heel down, tap up, right heel down, tap up. Nice. Keep going, alternating each time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Go ahead and hug your knees into your chest. Take a little roll from side to side. Inhale, exhale. Good. From here, we're going to keep our right knee in towards our chest. We're going to extend our left leg long so that our left heel is just hovering above the mat. From here, we're going to lift our head, neck, and shoulders up off of the mat and switch. So hugging your left knee into your chest, hovering your right ankle above the ground. Good. Switch. Keep going, alternating each time. Good. 8, 7, really point your toe towards that wall in front of you. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. We're going to keep going. This time as you switch, you're going to bring your hands over to the right side. Left leg is out long. Good. And switch over to the other side. Good. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, really reach forward. 5, 4, don't forget to engage your core. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Hug your knees up into your chest. Take a roll side to side. over onto our sides. Coming onto our right side, we're gonna prop up onto our right elbow. So our right elbow is underneath our right shoulder. Our knees are at 90 degrees. Scoot your hips back to the edge of the mat so your back is at the back side of the mat as well. From here, we're gonna point our left toes out nice and long. Really reach through your hip, engage your core, engage your obliques. From here, we're just gonna point our toes forward, flex our heel, kick them back. So point forward, exhale back. I have my dog right here. I'm really trying not to kick her in the snoot. Keep going. 6, 5, really engage your core. So the only thing that's moving is that leg. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Keep your toe pointing out straight towards that wall. We're just going to tap down, lift up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. We're going to stay up, leg nice and tall. We're just going to point up and down. So little pulses up, down. 10, 9, 8. Make sure not sinking down into that shoulder. We're lifting up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Slowly lower that leg down. We're going to come onto the mat all the way, so holding our neck in the palm of our hands, really resting your head so you're creating this long line with your spine. From here, this top knee is going to sink down onto the mat. This bottom leg is going to shoot straight out. Our heel is going to be flexed. From here, we're just going to lift up and lift down. 10, 9, 8. So working our inner thighs here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. From here, we're going to reach that left hand up all the way overhead. Sink leg and hand down. Reach leg and arm up. So you're crunching up using your obliques. You really want to keep your abs engaged here. So you should have a little gap between your abs and the mat. Good. Keep going. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. All right, we'll go ahead and flip over right onto the other side, onto our left elbow. Left elbow is right over your shoulder. So you really want to lift up out of that shoulder. Don't sink down. Keep it up nice and tall so everything is engaged. From here, same thing, legs at 90, scooting our hips to the back side of the mat. Our right leg is going to reach out nice and long. From here, it's going to point forward and flex back. 10, 9, 8. So really working on the mobility through our hips. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Point that foot out. We're just going to reach up, tap down. 10, 9, 8. Engage your core. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 9, and 1. Good. Little pulses up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Drop all the way down, holding your head in the palm of your hand. From here, we're going to bring this top knee over onto the mat. Flex your bottom leg. We're just going to point up and down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Reach that right hand up overhead, dropping your foot down, dropping your hand to reach back behind you, and squeeze up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Go ahead and relax. Slip onto your back. Hug your knees into your chest. Take a little rock side to side. Inhale and exhale. Nice. And we're going to flip around onto our hands and knees, coming up into a tabletop position. So in the tabletop position, you're thinking about bringing your belly button up towards your spine, wrists under your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. From here, we're going to keep our left foot planted flat on the ground. We're going to kick our right toes back behind us so they're reaching towards that back wall. From here, we're going to hug elbows into the side, point your nose down towards the mat, and lift up. So we're coming into this little tripod tricep push-up. Go to 10 on this side, keep going. 7, 6, really go all the way down, tap your nose to the mat. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Straight into the other side. So planting our right foot down onto the mat, really firm, kicking those left toes back behind us, hugging your elbows into your side, tapping your nose down, and reaching up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Come up onto your knees. Go and sit back into your heels. Rock your neck back, side to side. Look past your left shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Good. Look past your right shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Good. From here, sitting up nice and tall, engaging your core. You're going to reach your arms all the way out to the side. We're just going to start with little circles backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And little circles forwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And medium circles backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Medium circles forwards. 10, 9, 8. Really keep your entire body stable. The only thing that's moving is your arms, so keeping your core engaged. 3, 2, 1. Good. Big circles back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Big circles forwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Keep your arms here nice and long. Point your palms to face towards the back room. Pinkies facing up. You're just going to pulse back. Come forward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Flip your palms to face up towards the ceiling. You're just going to squeeze in and out, keeping your elbows up nice and tall. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Keep them out nice and long. Palms facing in front of you. We're going to tap forward and open up. 10, 9, 8. We're thinking about squeezing your shoulder blades behind you. We're not using any weight, so you're using your body and your mind-body connection as the resistance. 3, 2, 1. Good. Elbows out to the side, palms facing away from you. You're going to reach up and pull down. So push up, pull down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Elbows in towards your side, palms facing up towards the ceiling. We're going to reach out and pull back in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Palms back out to the side. We're going to do little pulses up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Flip your palms face up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Lower it down. Shake it out. Woo! Okay, we're gonna come up onto our mat, bring your big toes to touch, widen out your knees, sink your hips back into a child's pose, reach your fingertips forward, stretch out your triceps and your shoulders for a moment. exhale. Become present here. Doesn't matter what you've done, or doesn't matter what we're gonna do. Just being right in this moment, right now. Ditch the thoughts of your to-do list for just a few more minutes. Show up and do a little bit more work just for yourself, getting stronger, getting more energized, more awake, more present. Good. Inhale and exhale. Okay, from here we're going to shift forward onto our elbows. So both elbows are about shoulder distance apart. Palms are going to be on the ground. We're going to reach those right toes back behind us, left toes back behind us. From here, I want you to think about squeezing your elbows in towards your toes. You should instantly start to feel your core engage just a bit more. We're going to stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Drop your knees down. Rock your hips back. Take a breath in and out. Good. Shift forward. Coming right back into that elbow plank. Shifting your right foot back and your left foot back. From here, we're just going to tap both knees down. Lift up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Drop both knees down. We're going to roll straight onto our right side. So coming onto our right elbow. Okay, elbow is right below our shoulder. We are going to drop our bottom knee down, lift both hips off of the mat. We're going to take a big twist and reach through. Exhale, rotate open to the side. Inhale, reach. Exhale, twist. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Keep that palm reaching up towards the ceiling. We're just going to tap hips down and squeeze up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Hold it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Drop that hip down. Bring your left hand to meet the mat. We're going to bring your right hand so it's grabbing onto your left shoulder. We're going to go into a bit of a tricep push here. Single arm laying on our sides. So you're engaging your obliques. Really think about squeezing your abs to lift that bottom part of your abs up off of the mat. So you have this little gap here. So you're engaging your obliques. Left palm is down. We're just going to press up, lift your body off of the mat using our triceps, and slowly lower all the way down. Nice. Keep going. 10, 9. Try to keep both knees, both heels down, glued together. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. All right, straight onto the other side. Come onto your left elbow. Good. Left elbow beneath our left shoulder. We're going to lift both hips off of the mat. From here, we're reaching up towards the ceiling, reaching through, piking your hips up, and then reaching back up towards the sky. Good. So we're twisting and reaching. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Reach all the way up. We're just going to tap down, reach up. 10, 9, 8, 7, engage your core. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This last one, we're going to hold it. Look up towards your hand. Where your hand, eyes go, your body will follow. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Slowly lower down. Bring that right palm to the mat. Left hand up onto our right shoulder. Knees and heels are glued together. Just going to press up through that right palm and slowly lower down. Working our triceps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Slowly lower all the way down. Flip onto your back. Hug your knees up into your chest. Take a little roll side to side. Good. Widen out your knees here. Bring your hands onto the outside of your feet so your elbows are pushing your knees away. You're sending your knees towards the outside of your armpits. Just open up through your hips. Take a little roll side to side. Happy baby pose. Just find stillness. And inhale and exhale. Good. From here, hug your knees back into your chest. We're going to take a little roll up and down our spine for 3, 2, and 1. Flip over onto your hands and knees. Slowly peel those hips up into downward dog. Inhale and exhale. Try to bring those heels a little bit closer to your mat. Try to drop your knees all the way down. Bring your left hand through your right side. Shoulder and ear come to the mat. You can bring your right hand to your low back if it feels all right. Take a couple deep breaths. Bring your right hand back down to the mat. Press up and switch. So right hand through your left side, shoulder and ear come to the ground. You can bring your left hand to your low back. Deep breaths. Bring your left hand back up to that. Press up. Come into the seated position. Whatever way is comfy for you. Good. Take a moment. Just take the biggest breath of fresh air you've taken all day. Hold it for a second at the top. And exhale. Good. Open your eyes. Notice how good the world feels, how good your body feels. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have the greatest day ever, and I will see you soon.